Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to look at these 4 cards. Number 0, 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to put inside a box. A card is going to be drawn at random from the box and we note down the number. Well, at this point it is useful to note that the card will not be replaced, which means that the same number, that card, we are not going to put it back into the box anymore. Meaning, if the number that we have just drawn out, that card number is 0, and we have taken out that 0 and put one side, we are not going to put it back into that box. Is there any more 0 in the box? Yep, no more. That's the meaning of not replace. That means the same number cannot repeat itself. That's why you see in Mr. Tan's possibility diagram here, which we are required to draw, I have blocked out those cells that has repeated numbers, because in this particular scenario or event, that will never happen. Because after we take out, for example, 0, the only number left in the box is 1, 2 and 3. So there should not be a case where there is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 or 3, 3. Okay? So in this case here, after I count the total number of outcomes, is actually 12. Okay, and out of this 12, now that I have represented using a possibility diagram, find the probability that the sum of the two numbers is 6. Okay, since we are talking about sum, right? I'm going to just drop down a quick note in my possibility diagram. The sum here will be 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. Again, this is 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 4 and 5. Now that I have all the sums, is there any possibility that the two numbers is 6? Yep, no. So that is an impossible event. And therefore the answer is 0. Okay? So that is not possible. For part 2, prime number would then entails that the sum is prime number is either 2, 3 or 5. So I'm going to highlight them and I can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why the answer is 8 over 12, 2 over 3 for the simplest form. If it is an even number, there will be 2 and 4, 2 and 4. There's only 4 of them. 4 over 12, 1 over 3. Because the total number of outcome is 12. That's why you see Mr. Tan always divide by 12. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.